How to trade different assets considering their volatility. Hello, fellow traders. My name is Oscar, and in this video, I'll discuss various asset groups on the Binarium platform and how to choose a trading strategy for each. But first, please comment on which assets you trade most often and why. Trading assets are categorized based on their characteristics and market behavior. On the Binarium platform, assets are divided into 5 categories. The first category is the stock market, which includes company stocks traded on exchanges like NYSE and NASDAQ. These stocks can be further divided into growth stocks and cyclical stocks. Growth stocks are shares of companies with high profit growth rates. For example, stocks of Apple, Facebook, Google, and Microsoft. Cyclical stocks are shares of companies whose profits depend on the state of the economy. When the economy is growing, the value of these stocks increases, and when the economy slows down, their value decreases. An example of such an asset on Binarium is Toyota's stock. The second group is commodities. These assets include physical goods that you can buy or sell on the exchange. For example, on Binarium, you can trade gold and silver, as well as metal indices. The third group is Forex, the international currency market where different currencies are exchanged. You have popular currency pairs at your disposal, such as USD-EUR, USD-JPY, GBP-USD, and others. You can also trade cross-currency pairs, which are currency pairs that do not involve the US dollar. The fourth group is cryptocurrency assets. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies based on blockchain technology. For example, Bitcoin is the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency. Ethereum is the second most significant cryptocurrency, featuring a decentralized blockchain platform that supports smart contracts. Altcoins are all other cryptocurrencies created after Bitcoin. The fifth group is funds. These are investment tools that pool money from many investors to buy various assets. On Binarium, this group of assets is represented under the indices category. Each of these asset groups has its unique characteristics, which affect the choice of strategy and the associated risks of trading. Next, we will discuss how to trade effectively in each asset group. Before we get into the practical details, I'd like to remind you that the Binarium terminal now features the professional TradingView chart. This offers more accurate and faster data, 80 indicators, and extensive settings for technical and graphical analysis. To enable it, just click the chart widget in the terminal. Are you already using TradingView? Have you figured out its features? Share your experiences in the comments, and feel free to ask any questions if something is unclear. Choosing a strategy depends on the opportunities provided by each asset group. In the stock market, which in our case is the stocks category in the terminal, price movements are more directional and trend-based. Let's take Apple stock as an example. We see that Apple's stock has been in an upward trend since May 2024. Each time the stock breaks a local high, it signals further increases. In this case, the best trading approach is to follow the trend. This trend can be easily defined using trendline support and resistance. The situation is similar with Google stock. If you prefer conservative trend trading, then stock market assets, such as stocks, are for you. Commodity assets, such as gold and silver, are suitable for intraday trading. They show increased trading activity and provide more signals. Let's look at gold as an example. This asset has high trading activity. If you trade within the trading session or intraday, gold can be an effective trading tool for you. Note that for intraday trading, it's better to find entry points using multiple tools. For example, you can use moving averages and support and resistance levels for mutual confirmation. On the TradingView chart, you can quickly set up indicators. For instance, I just set periods of 9 and 12 for the moving averages and marked a reliable price support level. On the chart, we see that gold's price has consolidated in a higher trading range, forming a triangle. We also see that the price is trying to break out of the existing trading boundaries. Now, let's look at the indicators. Both the fast and slow moving averages are below the price chart. This provides additional confirmation that we should expect an upward move. A breakout of a key resistance level is a good moment to enter the market. It signals that the price movement may change direction, so I opened a trade upwards. It's important to note that not all breakouts are true. Sometimes the price may break a resistance level, but quickly return below it, creating a false breakout. Therefore, experienced traders always use additional tools to confirm signals and manage risks. In our case, we see that the price of gold confidently surpassed a strong resistance level. This signals that the price will likely continue to rise and may form a new trading range, or at the very least, consolidate in the current range. As we can see, the decision to open a trade at the breakout of the resistance level was successful. The trade closed in profit. Now let's move to currencies. Like in the commodity market, there is a lot of speculative trading in the currency market. Therefore, key levels and moving averages can also be useful here. Let's consider the GBP-US currency pair. On the chart, we see that the price may reverse and break through a resistance level. This signals that, amidst speculative trading, the pound is likely to consolidate in higher trading ranges. I use this moment to open a trade upwards. Notice that the moving averages are below the price chart, seemingly pushing traders to buy. Currency pairs respond well to news. They react to changes in economic data, which gives traders opportunities to profit. Binarium has a convenient events calendar where you can track important financial market news, such as central bank decisions, GDP reports, and more. News trading involves making decisions based on short-term price changes, so analysis and reactions need to be quick. In the meantime, the trade on GBP-USD closed in profit. The strategy of trading off levels with the moving average indicator worked excellently.